Bryson tractors are mainly tractor and agricultural machinery covering central belt of Scotland. We also deal with a lot of other local authorities and smaller companies like maintenance companies and things like that. Anyone that can use a tractor really, we'll supply tractor and machinery to go with it. Technology is hugely important to us here at Bryson Tractors. Tractors are advancing all the time, reducing emissions. They've increased the amount of electronics and computers and things on board the tractors, and to do with that we've then had to increase what we do diagnostics wise and everything. Now the technicians all have their own laptops, they're all based out in the field. The first thing we have to do is plug a laptop in and find error codes and find faults from there. Bryson Tractors are looking at the moment to be as sustainable as we can. We've made some improvements over the last 5 or 6 years. We've upgraded the building, we've upgraded the lighting, we run a biomass heating system at the moment. We're in the process of starting to look towards reducing our carbon footprint further for the future and net zero, whether we go down the route of electric vans or alternative fuels. Also, New Holland as a company are producing methane tractors at the moment, the first company to produce an alternative fuel methane tractor. It's in full production. We're in discussions with companies at the moment who are looking to go in to use them, producing their own gas to run those tractors. New Holland don't have any electric tractors of that at the moment. They are looking at bringing the smaller tractors will become electric in the future, possibly, and they'll keep the larger tractors running on methane or compressed natural gas. We have modern apprentices employed here at Bryson Tractors. The big positive for us is that we're encouraging people into the industry, training people for the future to ensure that we've got mechanics in the future to continue to support whatever it is we're selling, whether that be diesel engines, gas engines or electric tractors. Training employees to us is a huge importance to make sure that employees progress forward and also ensure that we get the best out of them. All our engineers at Bryson Tractors go through continuous training with the manufacturers, so whether that be New Holland, Kuhn Machinery, they all, during the pandemic, or since the pandemic, more of that is now online. It used to be that they would travel to sites and carry out training, whereas now most of it is done sitting in front of the computer. We have just over 20 employees here. We have engineers, there's guys in the parts department, we have a full sales team, we have admin staff, we also have yardsmen outside who look after the yard, look after any second-hand machinery that come in. The future for land-based engineering for us is looking good at the moment. We're really looking forward to what's going to come in the future. Obviously diesel engines and things are probably going to be phased out over the coming years, and it's going to be what's used to replace them. But we're going to need tractors, we're going to need something for farms and that, so we'll be here to support whatever it is that we're selling at that time.